There's this awesome sedum ground cover growing here, but you can see the stems from last year's flowers kind of hovering above, and those can be cut out. There are a bunch in this area, and you can just kind of shear them off like this, which is quick and easy, and then just wait until the flowers grow above them to cover them. But if you want to get super detailed, you can go all the way down the stem and cut them to where you see new growth. To be safe, you can cut above a node if you'd like, or you can just cut the whole thing off if you don't see anything, any life. Granted, depending how much you have, this could take forever. Here's one on the edge where you can see a new rosette, and then a little baby one here and there, so you can just cut right above that. See all the little rosettes growing off the stem? You can cut above. There, that area looks nice. This right here are the seed pods, which are basically leftover flowers from last year. They are super cute, but we're going to prune them off right where they meet anything live. I love finding hydrangea flowers everywhere.